Want to enable or disable generative AI in Adobe Acrobat? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find the generative AI settings and turn them on or off. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once Acrobat is open, click the menu option in the top left corner. From the menu, select Preferences. Now, look at the left-hand panel in the Preferences window. Find and click on Generative AI. Here, you will see the Generative AI settings, including a toggle option that allows you to control this feature. If you want to use Generative AI features in Adobe Acrobat, simply turn the toggle on. If you don't want to use Generative AI, or you want to disable these features, turn the toggle off. And that's it. You can now easily enable or disable Generative AI in Adobe Acrobat whenever you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more useful Adobe Acrobat and Windows tips.